In today's age, artificial intelligence is hard to connect with, but as being a human-centered design company, we wanted to take computer vision, human-centered design, and bring it together with something that can connect with a human.
With Coco and Identify, what we're doing is looking at a single technology, which is machine language-backed computer vision, to deliver two completely different business use cases and two completely different user experiences and solutions.
Coco is an intelligent customer experience based on computer vision and machine learning that's taking over 1,000 images of American Sign Language and put it into a gamification. So you'll enter into the experience and be able to very quickly learn a little bit about Coco, the background, the technology, and the outcomes. And then we'll take you through a quick tutorial and play, teaching you a couple of signs that you'll be able to quickly advance and learn through the process.
I can learn a little bit of American Sign Language and then actually hopefully gain a little bit of empathy for people who communicate that way.
We hope that you get an opportunity to play with Coco today and sign I love you for. So in Identify, the individual is asking the question to the universe, what is this thing and what can I do with it?
It's using image recognition, computer vision, machine learning to identify something in an image and give you a confidence of what it is.
If you just think about how you could take out your phone and take a picture of a tomato and it's automatically going to recognize that it's a tomato. It doesn't need a barcode, it doesn't need a QR code, it doesn't need any of that.
Our Identify experience at Forward is made up of two experiences. One is the consumer side, where I'm in my kitchen, I want to cook something with the ingredients I have on hand, so I open up my fridge, point my application to it, and it'll suggest a recipe based on what I already have.
I have 4 children, and it would be amazing to be able to look in my refrigerator, take a couple of pictures, and know within an hour I can make a meal for them.
The back-end side of the experience shows how the system learns and adds new objects so that I can recognize them in my kitchen.
So why does Solstice talk about AI as augmented intelligence and not artificial intelligence? Because we believe there's far more to the equation than just the technology and the artificial.
We're just scratching the surface with AI and what machine learning can do and what you can do with machine learning at the edge.
I think what's really impressive about the technology is that we brought a bunch of pieces together that help solve a problem in a way that no one piece can.
An experience doesn't live without an emotional connection to an end consumer. It doesn't exist without thinking about the empathy of that person, the ethics of what we're doing. So really, augmented intelligence encapsulates all those components for us to really bring together best in breed of artificial machine learning, computer vision with who we are as a company, trying to prove what humanity is capable of and building the best in class solution.
And I hope that people just sort of see this and maybe it sparks ideas for something they could do, or just kind of reframe it in their mind to thinking about it a little bit differently, or maybe having a better understanding of what it is and what it isn't.